Scores of residents in Broadgate, St. Mary are on the brink of losing their homes. This as the Junction Road expansion project continues to advance. The people are accusing the authorities of poor communication. They expressed their concerns at a recent community meeting in the area. Residents of Broadgate, St. Mary are in limbo. While work is progressing on the Junction Road expansion project, some people will lose their property. That fact was already known, but the residents complain workmen are moving in, but it's still unclear what they're to do or where they should go.
Me move me house 200 feet and go up on top and build, and then come put a peg right now in the middle of my house, and you tell me, say, you tell me, say, no. Member of Parliament no come, nobody no come and say nothing to me.
All in the middle of the road, then put the peg. If you have a fruit tree in a way, then cut it down on a business.
Yes, I'm talking on behalf of my aunt. I spoke to her in New York a while ago, and she said I must sit in the meeting. Yeah, they've got a house on that property, and we've got about 3 dead on that property. Me no want it, we just dig up and dash us up. Because down to the dead have a right.
The National Works Agency Manager for Communication and Customer Services, Stephen Shaw, however, insists that meetings were held with the people who will be impacted by the construction. He adds that NWA officers have also been meeting people on the ground, officers too from the National Land Agency.
Who came to the area and spoke to people who probably never had any knowledge or any insight into what is to happen, because we are always told that we don't sell land without the services of a lawyer, and nobody here had that kind of service. And as a person, I am also saying tonight that those people who got the first information, not understanding the information, did not speak to anybody else.
TVJ News has learned that not all the persons occupying land have a title. However, they may be compensated for the structure on the property. People who own fruit trees may also receive compensation. It's further understood that the public defender Arlene Harrison Henry will be making representation on behalf of some of the residents.